Welcome back to our English conversation practice series. Today, Sarah and John will be discussing environmental awareness and sustainability. Let's dive into their conversation.
Hi, John. How are you today?
Hey, Sarah. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm good, thanks. I've been thinking a lot about the environment lately. What are your thoughts on environmental issues?
That's an important topic. I believe it's crucial for us to take care of our planet and make sustainable choices to protect the environment. From reducing plastic waste to conserving energy, there are many ways we can make a positive impact.
Absolutely. One simple change I've made is reducing my single-use plastic consumption. I now use reusable bags, water bottles, and containers whenever possible.
That's great to hear. I've been trying to minimize my carbon footprint by using public transportation or carpooling instead of driving alone. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in reducing air pollution.
Definitely. And I think education plays a key role in raising awareness about environmental issues. By educating ourselves and others, we can inspire positive change and encourage sustainable practices.
I couldn't agree more. It's important for each of us to do our part in protecting the environment for future generations.
And that wraps up our conversation for today. Remember, environmental awareness and sustainability are crucial for the well-being of our planet. Let's work together to make a positive impact. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.